Okay, so we're just backstage in the Faire Fecan Theater, just going to walk into a rehearsal of the Birds production. You have to be quiet. Hanging around backstage, you can have a look at the masks done for the show. Some theater students just hanging around. I'm doing a little video. It's a 360-degree video. So
yeah, we can act natural if you like.
you should do that. You're doing a fantastic job at it.
It's the coolest camera.
Does a 360-degree picture. Actually, yes. Of course, this is Adam, projection person. You can see his setup here. You can see the stage and lots of monitors, projections everywhere. Digital media students, idle. Just walk into the wing and just sneak up on people.
I say, Jack? Hugo? Perhaps I'll travel a ways down with you. I find the air up here a little thin. Sandpiper!
Show. They're just rehearsing the very end, not to give anything away too much.
Sideways movement, moving sideways.
See what's happening at the lighting and sound area.
Alright guys, we're gonna stop there and go back.
Hello? Megan?
Michael Grey Eyes is just going to give the actors some instruction. Of course, Michael's dog is here too.
Trying to work out all the elements. Oil. I do want you to make lots of noises. Like, kind of like, almost like whimpering, you know, like tweeting. That's where the camera is. You know? So did you see that there was some sideways movement when that's happening? I think we're going to shorten up that entire sequence. Lighting-wise, what's it like on Yeah.
Take you back to the production people, stage manager, lighting designer, projection designer.
Is that recording a video?
It is. 360 as we speak. Trying a roving 360.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go back to Gulliver, Jack's Line Gulliver.
Just recording a video.
Oh, just trying to haze your gap. Awesome. Can we plug the fellow back in? Is that? Can we plug the fellow back in? Oh, no. Are we going from the Valtruis? Rachel? Yes. So the fellow's plugged in right now. Well, to the power strip or to the wall? To the wall. Unplug it and plug it back in. Can you unplug it and plug it back in again?
The build is good. The build is good, but from
Nope.
here, it should be like,
Can we get
you know, if
Alex?
it's like,
It's not in power.
First of all, you gotta remember this is a 20 seconds long. You just gotta what the cool down time is on.
Into the wall. Yeah, sorry, I'm talking to multiple people right now, Val.
Can you call Alec maybe the breaker blue on that?
Alec? Is anybody got eyes on Alec?
Did they tell you?
Seth, we think we might have blown the breaker that the fellow is plugged into.
Apparently we've blown a breaker somewhere.
And I've done it within a couple, like a minute of it itself, and it did it before.
Kevin, the sound designer. No, I'm not supposed to have my shoes on stage, so I'm just going to take my boots off. Just walk through.
Yeah, because I was like, my friends got me this
People have to sort of entertain themselves where we find the broken breaker.
Yeah, you guys were like grabbing my hand.
Lighting designer inspecting this Mondo bulb. You look up to see that? Apparently a bulb is broken.
Yeah, you go ahead of me. Yeah, okay. So, yeah.
He's getting a lot of good stuff right now.
I hope so. Just carry my boots back. And there you have it, on stage for the rehearsal of the birds.